Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I will be going over all the different types of quick detail sprays. Let's get into it. So on my far right, I have Hybrid VO7. Hybrid VO7 is a sealant-based quick detail spray that goes ahead and enhances any type of coatings you have on your car while delivering a very high gloss shine. Hybrid VO7 can remove fingerprints, dust, debris, but do not go ahead and confuse quick detail sprays with waterless washes. Waterless washes is a whole completely different topic. Let me just tell you guys a quick tip. Waterless washes can actually pick up heavier grime that quick detail sprays cannot. But Hybrid VO7 is a sealant-based technology. It has optical high gloss polymers in it that gives it that extra pop on any colored vehicle. Next to it, it has Speed Wipe. Speed Wipe is a wax-free product that has anti-static properties that I recommend using on light colored vehicles such as orange, reds, or any light colored vehicles. Then we have Meticulous Matte. Meticulous Matte works amazing on all matte surfaces, such as if you have rubber wrap, satin wheels, or matte wheels. We recommend using Meticulous Matte as a quick touch-up. Meticulous Matte has a sealant base in it that is not gonna go ahead and allow your wrap to deteriorate or dull over time. It's gonna keep it original with the UV blockers it has. Then we have Synthetic Quick Detail Spray. Synthetic Quick Detail Spray has gloss enhancers that's gonna take your shine to the next level while having no wax, and it also has an anti-static formula in it, which means if you have a glaze, sealant, wax, it's gonna go ahead and rejuvenate them, bring out the shine, and keep your car cleaner for longer. If your car is not garage kept, I recommend you go with Synthetic Quick Detail Spray because it's gonna keep all the dust that flies around off the surface of your vehicle. If it does land on the surface of the vehicle, it's gonna go ahead and make washing and cleaning a lot easier. Now we have P40 Quick Detail Spray. P40 Quick Detail Spray is a Brazilian wax Carnauba based quick detail spray that goes ahead and gives it a very warm shine to light colored vehicles, such as orange, red, light green, any light colored vehicles. This is one of my go-tos to go ahead and use on light colored vehicles. P40 Quick Detail Spray in comparisons to Hybrid VO7 is completely opposite. This has a wax, this has a sealant. Fun fact guys, a sealant is always gonna go ahead and give you that extra oof to the paint, darken it. It's gonna give it that ultra wet look to it. Versus P40, it's gonna give it that pop. So you have a light colored car, like I said, red, orange, or green, go ahead and use P40. If you have a dark colored car, you wanna give it that extra pop, go with Hybrid VO7. Because a dark colored vehicle, the UV rays does bounce on the paint much longer, so you want a better protection for it. That's why we recommend Hybrid VO7. But for all my gloss wraps owners or clear bra owners, we recommend using Wrap Detail Spray for you. By that, I mean Wrap Detail Spray has a UV sealant technology in it that's not gonna go ahead and let your wraps cringe, lose its value, lose its color, or even your PPF film. It's gonna go ahead and maintain it. Wrap Detailer works great as a simple mist and wipe in one direction just to pick up any loose grime or debris that is light on the surface of the vehicle. Wrap Detail Spray also has a sealant technology in it that's gonna go ahead and keep your wrap rejuvenated for longer. It's not gonna allow it to cringe, or especially your PPF owners out there, you realize that over time PPF film turns to yellow. This is gonna keep it clear for longer. Then we have on our far left, Blazin Banana and Afterwash. Blazin Banana is, I like to call it the cherry on top. The reason behind it is because Blazin Banana has a higher amount of Carnauba than P40. P40 is just for the quick touch up, quick shine up, and you're good to go. Blazin Banana, on the other hand, is for people that do not have time to wax their cars and they're in a rush. Blazin Banana is still gonna go ahead and pick up light grime or debris from the surface, but it's gonna give it a longer lasting protection to the paint. Then we have Afterwash. Afterwash is a go-to whenever you're drying a vehicle. By that, if you have hard water, well water, a water that tends to spot up on your vehicle, I recommend using Afterwash. The reason behind it is whenever your car is wet, you spray Afterwash onto it and it's gonna reduce tension from the water and the paint of your vehicle. It's gonna make drying easier and it's not gonna spot up on you. Yes, you can use these more as a quick detail spray, but we do not recommend it. Just simply use them for what they're recommended for the best results. On this whole other side, we recommend using them in between washes to maintain your ceramic coatings, your glazes, sealants, and waxes. Because a lot of people do not understand, you might apply a glaze today, or a sealant or a wax, and you forget to clean it for 2 to 3 months or even 2 weeks, and over time, if your car sits outside, it constantly has a harsh elements that could go ahead and deteriorate the coating, glaze, sealant, or wax. But if you use one of these designated quick detail sprays in between washes, it's gonna go ahead, make washing easier, you're gonna maintain your coatings much longer, and your paint's gonna be shining much longer. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the post notification bell right here, ding, 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 and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.